cash management, treasury, and transaction services. By the time Daniel's business reached its third year, the challenge was no longer about generating revenue. It was about managing money efficiently. Sales were increasing, suppliers were expanding, and employees depended on timely salaries. Yet, despite growing profits, Daniel often found himself short of cash at critical moments. The problem was not income, it was timing. This is where commercial banking moves beyond basic accounts into the world of fee-based and value-added services, particularly cash management and treasury solutions. These services are designed to help businesses control, optimize, and predict their financial flows, transforming money from something reactive into something strategic. Cash management at its core is about ensuring that the right amount of money is available at the right time. For Daniel, this meant aligning incoming payments from customers with outgoing obligations such as supplier invoices and payroll. Without proper coordination, even profitable businesses can face liquidity stress, a phenomenon widely studied in financial management research and often cited as a leading cause of business failure. When Daniel's bank introduced him to a cash management platform, everything began to change. Instead of manually tracking transactions, he could now view his entire financial position in real time. Incoming payments were automatically recorded, outgoing payments were scheduled, and alerts notified him of potential shortfalls. From a scientific standpoint, studies in corporate finance show that firms using advanced cash management systems can reduce idle cash balances by up to 30%, while improving liquidity planning accuracy. This is because digital systems allow for real-time data integration, enabling faster and more informed decisions. As Daniel grew more comfortable with this, he began to explore treasury services, which operate at a more strategic level. Treasury management focuses on optimizing a company's financial resources, including managing risks related to interest rates, currency fluctuations, and investment opportunities. One of Daniel's biggest challenges emerged when he started importing goods from overseas suppliers. Payments were now subject to exchange rate fluctuations, meaning that the cost of his inventory could change unpredictably. Through his bank's treasury service, he was introduced to foreign exchange hedging tools, allowing him to lock in exchange rates and reduce uncertainty. This experience reflects a broader principle in financial theory. Risk can be managed, but only if it is identified and measured. Treasury services provide businesses with the tools to do exactly that. By using derivatives, forecasting models, and market analysis, banks help clients stabilize their financial outcomes. Transaction service, another critical component, ensure that money moves efficiently across the financial system. Whether it is processing payroll, handling bulk payments, or facilitating international trade, these services form the backbone of modern business operation. A compelling real-world example can be seen in companies that adopt automated payment systems. Instead of manually approving each transaction, businesses can set predefined rules, allowing payments to be executed automatically. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of human error. For Daniel, the transformation was profound. What once required hours of manual work could now be managed with a few clicks. More importantly, he gained visibility and control over his finances, two elements that are essential for sustainable growth. From a practical perspective, the key lesson is that cash management and treasury services are not optional extras. They are critical tools for financial efficiency. Businesses that fail to adopt these systems often struggle with liquidity issues, even when they are profitable. On the other hand, those that embrace them can operate with greater confidence and agility.
Join my free school community where we discuss banking, fintech, and financial careers.